you know how I did the Sharpie review on the Sharpie brush pens? This is an updated review and I just really want to talk to you about them. I had very good hopes about them, and let me show you why I had big hopes about Sharpie brush pens. So I had big hopes about Sharpie brush pens. One, because of the brand. I thought, okay, it won't be too bad. But in actuality, before we continue this video, was not paid by Sharpie. This is not sponsored. I bought these with my own money. And if I was to ever do a sponsored video or any product review, I would give you my honest opinion. So let's continue on. The one thing I started to dislike about Sharpie brush pens was how it reminded me of the Prism color brush pens that I had, because the nib is similar, and then how it's not a solid consistent color all the way through. And I really expected more. I didn't expect them to end up becoming what they were. And I say becoming what they were, it's because I wasn't really, how do you say, I wasn't attracted to them as much as I would be a Zig brush pen or as a Pentel brush pen. It's just basic, and the overall design is, I mean, obviously they're different from different brands. Just the whole, it wasn't attractive to me anymore. So I had lost the love for them. And I also will say, as I said in the review, that the Sharpie brush pens are good for the budget friendly creatives. Maybe you're just getting into calligraphy or brush lettering, or even doing modern calligraphy, and you may not be too sure about what brush pens to get or which ones to buy. I always took the mentality of, just because something doesn't work for one person doesn't mean it will not work for you. So don't be afraid to try. You have to try different tools, but don't think that buying certain brush pens or certain tools will make you better, because in actuality, the main thing that a lot of people have to do is you have to practice. And you have to practice until it becomes habitual. Alright, let's go ahead and close this video out.